Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make divine donuts. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and active dry yeast. Proof the yeast in warm milk for about 5 minutes until it's foamy. This confirms it's ready to work its magic. Prepare your stand mixer with a dough hook, as this will make the kneading process much easier and more consistent for a perfect dough. Once your yeast is active, combine it with the flour, sugar, eggs, and melted butter in your stand mixer. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Transfer the dough to a lightly greased bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place. This proofing stage typically takes 1 to 2 hours, or until the dough has doubled in size. After the dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter to create your desired shapes, including the centers. Heat your frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are golden brown and cooked through. Don't overcrowd the pan. While your donuts are still warm, prepare a delicious glaze by whisking together powdered sugar, a few tablespoons of milk, and a dash of vanilla extract. Dip each donut into the glaze, allowing any excess to drip off, then place them on a wire rack to set. These divine donuts are best enjoyed fresh. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.